Valencia is not just a city to visit. Its location means you feel the influence of the Mediterranean Sea. It's framed by incredible beaches, making it the perfect place to feel the sun on your skin. Valencia is one of Spain's largest cities, but it feels very intimate. Perhaps it's because the airport is just minutes from the city, connected to so many destinations around the world. Or because the sea opens the door to thousands of travellers. Or because the high-speed train is in the heart of the city. Plus, there's a wide range of hotels to suit every taste. Valencia is full of life, with endless options letting you live Valencia your way. And always with people ready to welcome you and guide you in person and digitally. The Valencia tourist card allows you to explore the city with ease. Valencia feels eternal because it has been telling its own story for thousands of years, respecting a past that makes it unique. And looking to the future at the forefront of the world. Valencia shines with its festivities, its music, and its art. This passion is not only present in the culture, because Valencia is on the move, big time, with sporting events all year round. And opportunities to enjoy any kind of activity, even in salt water. Valencia feels very natural, with plenty of places to breathe in the middle of the city. Surrounded by natural landscapes and providing sustainable transport. And of course, Valencia is also savoured in every mouthful. Life tastes different here. Mediterranean flavours and culinary excellence. It can be enjoyed in every ingredient with designation of origin. And in every corner where tradition and innovation are served on the same plate. Valencia feels open and accessible. A place where you can feel good about yourself, no matter who you are. Valencia certainly feels like one of the best cities in the world to live in. That's why we say, don't just visit Valencia, live it.